Hey y'all, just want to make a video on how to use one of these tail strippers. You can get on Amazon for like, I don't know, I think they're like 15 bucks. These things are freaking awesome for taking the tail out of deer, or you can use this little piece for squirrels, big piece for deer. Yeah, a little universal tool among the furs. What you have to do though is get the little anal cavity off there, and then kind of get it started by just splitting down the center like you normally would. And you know, you can go about a quarter of the way, just enough to, like I said, get it started, and then to have something to work with, have something to put around or for your tool to go around. So anyway, you'll come around here on this back side. I just use a razor blade. They're pretty sharp, cheap. Just get it opened up on both sides. Come up along the bottom of this tail piece right here where you cut it off, and just work around that bottom. And once you get it all the way around, you should be able to just kind of start pulling it up. Okay, I assume you probably already know how to skin a tail, but this is just a video really just to kind of brag on this tool, because it does work good and makes tail work like really easy, and you don't really have any cuts or really any falls. But you see where you have it right there at the end of that split, you just want to make sure that you meet it right there, because sometimes these little tail tools can get a little stuck, or the tails can get stuck up in there. But I find that when you come all the way around like that, see, that's where I made my split right here, and then I've come and met it all the way around. Now all you have to do is take this thing for a deer hide. You just want to use this big hole, push it around this dude, slip it on there, get you a good grip here on the end that closes up, and just yank that dude out of there, get rid of that tail. Take this right here, man, watch this. I'm telling you, if you ain't got one of these, you ought to. Right there where you got the end of your slit, grab the end of the tail. Let me try to get to where you can see this. I'll just do it left-handed and just pull. Let's see, it slipped out. Yeah, just pull it. I jacked up doing it left-handed, but it's okay. And usually around here at the tip, I just kind of open it up again. Just open up at the tip, and then you got you a good tail. So these tools right here cut skin and tails time in half. Get you one.